Hello, this video is titled How to Use Domestic Waste or Kitchen Waste to Drop the Cost of Making Your Poultry Feed. If you look closely, you see different domestic wastes. Most of the times they are from the kitchen. The waste you get from their kitchen. Watch this video attentively so that you know the ones you have already in your home, the ones you can preserve and prepare for your feed to help you to drop the cost, because most of all these things normally you throw them away, but in this video, after watching this video today, you can now make use of them to prepare your poultry feed at affordable rate. I'm going to describe each of them one by one as you are seeing them on the floor here. Now we have the number one here. You can see yam peas. You know what yam peel is. This is yam peas. You can see it. This is yam peas. If you look closely, you can also see orange and lemon peas here. You can see them. Orange and lemon peas. They are properly dried. You can see potato peas also. Sweet potato peas are here. You can see waste from pap waste. After preparing pap, the chaff from the pap, you can see it here. You are seeing them, they are dried. You may not recognize most of them because they are properly dried. You can see them here. You can see banana and plantain peas here. You can see banana and plantain peas. They are properly dried. You can see them well dried. Banana and plantain peas. If you look closely, you can see groundnut pea, fried groundnut peas here. You can see some particles of egg here. You can see some particles of eggshell here. You can see star apple peas. You can see them here. Star apple. All this is a waste from kitchen, domestic waste. You can see star apple peas here. You see some of this potato. You can see them here. All this contains nutrients that is needed for your poultry feed. You can see some small bones from kitchen also. You can see small bones, chicken bones here. These are a mixture of different waste. They have been prepared and dried. You can see cassava. You can see cassava here. This dried cassava here. See them. You can see African nutmeg peas here. You can see them here. This African nutmeg. All these are they have used. You only the coat, the seed coat. What we have here. Our yams are here. Cocoyam waste is here. You can see large quantity of fried groundnut pea. You can see it here. Large quantity of fried groundnut pea. You can see coconut. You can see dried coconut. See them here. These are coconuts dried. You can see them because coconut contains a lot of fat, and fat is one of the major ingredients in poultry diet. You can see it. This dried coconut. Even if you press it now, you can see that it has oil in it. See, this is dried coconut. You're seeing it. See them in large quantity here. You can see large quantity of dried coconut here. All these are not purchased at all. These are things that are generated. Some of these coconuts are not good. You just break them and dry them. They are not good for direct consumption by human. So you just crack them, dry it, and keep them for feed. See them here. Watch, you can see many of them here. I mean, these are dried coconut. It's a source of good crude fat. So instead of spending money on granite oil, if you have something like this, see them here. They're in large quantity. You can see it. You can see this last dry grain soluble. That is waste from this local gin, this local drink. You can see the waste is here. You see it here. The one they call brukutu. See the waste here. You can see the waste from kunu. That is wheat and others. You can see domestic bones. You can see them here. Bones. These bones contain, this is the one we call biscuit bone. See, they contain a lot of fat and cashew. This is not processed. This is not processed bone meal. This is bone that has fat in it. We call it meat. And see them here. These are bones. You can see it. This bone is not the processed bone. This is the real bone with fat in it. Biscuit bone. You can see fish bones here. You can see them. All these are not purchased. You never spend money for it. You only gather them from the kitchen, and they will be used in making feed. You can see large quantity of groundnut peas here. There are many. They are in large quantity here. Watch this. This is orange pulp. After licking the orange, you can see you must dry them very well. They don't need to have any content of water. You can see potato peas also here in large quantity. Potato peas are here. Potato peas are here in large quantity. Potato peas contains a lot of carbohydrate. There's energy source also. Please make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers. If you are allergic to sharing video, please don't miss sharing this video to your fellow farmers so that this video will reach them. And make sure you follow the video till the end, because we are developing feed formula with all this waste here. You can see them here. They are in large quantity. The video formula is getting ready. We are developing feed formula with them. After developing the feed formula, we process and use it to feed our livestock animals, especially our broilers. You see how they feel like. See them here. All these are waste from kitchen. We did not buy this at all. No, we did not buy it. If you weigh this now, it's more than 10 kg. See, think of when you reduce 10 kg from here. See, they are more than 10 kg even. Though they are dried, you can see them. Different. See them. Are you seeing them? We're going to make use of them to process our feed. See them. Thank you for watching. But don't fail to share. The next video is also loading very soon. Till then, bye.